And a very good morning, everyone. Jeremy here, coinstrategic.com.sg. Hoping you have a great Sunday. It's now 10:48 in Singapore, having a lovely day. And just before I go out for my nice run, we just update on the S&P 500 for the trading week closing the 4th of June 2021. So this is a monthly chart of the S&P 500 to keep all of you guys, especially the naysayers, in perspective. Lovely uptrend since way back 2010, 2021, 11 years in a running, very, very nice uptrend. And currently, the long signal has been reconfirmed again on the 1st of December last year at 3654. We closed off at 4229, taking a small pause for the week. And if you look at the weekly charts, you can see the uptrend is still very much intact. Very nice uptrend with a long signal 3168 on the 1st of June last year, targeting new all-time highs. We are at new all-time highs, and taking a little bit of a note of this particular level at 4141 is the Tenkan support line. And this Tenkan support line is still holding. This is the fast moving average of this Ichimoku cloud structure. And number two, you can see the super trend line here, 3883 on a weekly basis, which I use a lot just in case there is a pullback from this level. We can expect it to sort of find support at this super trend line and perhaps bounce back up to resume its uptrend. All right. But as of now, on a weekly basis, the uptrend is extremely strong. All right, and it's almost a year now with that weekly uptrend, and if you continue long since 3,100 points, it will be 1,000 points or 33% up on your portfolio as of now. Now, going on to the dailies chart, a little bit of profit taking since the 14th of May 2021, targeting that 3883 zone. And that 3883 line was on the weekly super trend support that I've just showed you earlier on. And it looks like we found buyers again after that short little pullback and then a little nice bounce back up towards the pivot at 4267. So the 4267 pivot will be in my blog, coinstrategic.com.sg. Just follow that link. All the levels in this video will be mentioned in that particular post. So what we want to see on the daily chart for next week for this uptrend to continue is for price to actually continue and break through this pivot at 4267 to get higher highs. Otherwise, it may retract and then we might have a little bit of profit taking, and then we'll see how it goes after this particular trading week starting the 7th of June 2021. And interestingly, if you look at the 4-hourly charts, very interestingly, you can see price actually tried to break through the 4-hourly pivot at 4229, failed, and then closed just below the super trend line, showing how powerful the super trend line is for identifying resistance and support areas. So the 4-hourly super trend line, I use it personally to actually time my trades and time my shorts. So for those people, for example, if you are a swing trader and you find that price bounces off this 4229 level and you're looking to short, you can actually start small little short positions very close to the 4229 line and try to find your way down with a little bit of a stop loss at say 4240. And this is how actually traders utilize all these super trend lines for them to see how price reacts as they head towards these pivot points. So as a summation, the S&P 500 long-term uptrend is still intact. Weekly uptrend still very much intact with a support at 3883, very important level if we have any weakness in the short term. And on the 1 hour, the dailies chart, you can see a little bit of a pullback. On since the 14th of May. This is still active unless we break through the level of 4267 to the upside. We might sort of range for the moment. And then on the 4 hourly basis, we want to see a break above 4229 for it to resume and join its medium and long-term uptrend for the S&P 500. So guys, have a great weekend, and I look forward to seeing you very shortly next week for my next recap. Have a good trading week and stay safe, guys.